We are back at it today. Chaos Builds. I'm your host for this evening.
Cue the montage. Cue the montage. Get you some of that.
And this is what we got going on. We have got to pull the forms off the shop pad, and we're going to cut the concrete. So, as y'all seen in the last video, concrete's completely poured. It's finished. It's been snowing, everything else. It's a mud pit around here. So either way, we're going to pull the forms. We're going to cut the concrete. So we're going to lay out the lines. My little brother's going to come over here, and he's going to use a concrete saw. He's going to saw this for me and get it to where if it cracks, it tries to crack in the relief cuts instead of out in the main areas of the shop. Hopefully we can get those cracks to follow the lines that we're cutting in instead of deciding where it wants to go on its own. So it's going to be a process. I think what I'm going to do first is start removing all the forms, and then I'm going to take a tape measure, measure out the lines how we want it, and mark them with a Sharpie. That way when my little brother gets here, we can use a chalk line and chalk it, and then he can cut it. Bada bing, bada boom, and we're done. So either way, let's get to work on this. Alright, as you guys seen, that first 30-foot side is done. It kind of fought us. That one board broke. Anyway, kind of pain in the butt, if you ask me. We're going to work on the rest of the stuff, and I'll get back to you when we get towards the end. Alright, so looks like we're to the last little bit of forms. Got my Uncle Bobby over here cranking away at them. Alright, so we are done with cutting the concrete and got it all blown off, all that. We made it work. All the forms are pulled, all the pins are pulled. So either way, the next little video you'll probably see on this is a building getting erected here a couple weeks probably. Depends on how the weather goes. You know, we've been fighting that through this whole project. So, either way, thanks for checking this out. Like I said, this is all done. All the lines are cut. I've heard through the grapevine comments that there's a little game that people are playing now of what hats getting wore in this episode. So anyway, this is my Vice Grip Garage hat. It was bought by a great friend of mine. I did some work on his Trans Am, and he was like, here's this hat for helping me out. So either way, I do appreciate you for that, Randy, and we will catch y'all in the next one.